Take a shower.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Denton County in north central Texas until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Sanger, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tennis ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. People and animals outdoors will be injured.
Keeping it on here.
Expect hail damage to roofs, siding,